This video is sponsored by Sketchfab. Stick around to see how you can get all of these premium cool models for free and also join an amazing community that gives you opportunities to showcase your own work, buy, sell, and also preview your 3D content on the internet. As Sketchfab is the largest place on the internet where you can do all of these things as an artist. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Ask NK. This is our weekly episode of free giveaway, and this week we have a couple of things that you guys would probably want to take a look at. So first off, we're going to take a look at Between Two Pines. The folks at Between Two Pines are giving out some nice Steam and Smoke VDB sets. So for those who like to get some pretty cool VDBs in their scenes and you're looking for something that's compatible with most of the render engines out there like Cycles, 3D Delight, Octane, Redshift, Arnold, and also RenderMan, you'll be able to get this pack. So there are two sets of packs that you'll be able to get here. The first pack comes with 5 different kind of seamless loop that you can grab, and individual files right here is 1 to 2 gig per set. Now, if you also take a look, you would also notice that there is a second set. Now, the second set has some pretty cool stuff as well, and they are all loopable animations. This is 3 seamless loopable animation that you can also work with, and the file size varies from 1 to 1.5 gigabyte of file. So for those who are excited about steams, you want to add a couple of steam in your scene, you want to bring your scene to life, or probably you're looking for something that you can use to push the composition of whatever you're making a bit further, then this is actually a good pack for you. So with this said, let's take a look at our weekly picks from ArtStation. So first off, we have the Plant Pack 1 from Joe Art Reference. Now this comes with about 40 photos for those who like to reference and play with plants, or maybe you want to use this plant in your design, or you're looking for things that you can use for your matte painting. Something like this would definitely come in handy. Now for those who are also looking for references, you'd also find a couple more references if you go over to his page, and this is for free. Now with this said, we also have something which actually doesn't deal with a reference but is a model. So the guy with mask tattoo is a Blender model that you can get, and this is made available by Yusuf Umar. Yusuf Umar also has a couple of cool stuff around his page, and some of them are not safe for work content, which you might also want to take a look at. And for those looking for anime stuff, you will find tons of cool anime stuff that he has already made, and these ones are cool, but these are not free actually, but you can take a look at them depending on what you're looking for actually. But if you really want the free one, this free one is right here, and you can grab it and start using it. Meanwhile, a couple of things that you need to know is it's a rigged model that you can play with, but it doesn't have any form of facial deformation or rigging at all. Meanwhile, for those who are looking for things that they can use for referencing as well, and maybe you're looking for something to study the human anatomy, you'll be able to get this free base mesh human skeleton, which has all of its individual joints. They're all separated into polygroups, so you can literally work with this one a lot. So for those who are looking for things like this is something that you can grab. The only thing here is you would not be able to resell this, but it's for free for anyone who wants to work with it. And Fabricio has actually made this one possible. Meanwhile, something else which is possible is the educational assets that you can work with, and these are ready to use assets. Although they are just simply ready for texture, they actually have all the UVs done, but there's no texturing assigned to these. These are both Maya and OBJ files for those who would like to work with it, and you can see that we have the files right here. So you'll be getting 10 different files that you'll be working with, and these 10 files comprises of 5 of individual models that you can grab for free. Now for those who are looking for things that are commercial based, you would need to pay a certain amount for you to get this, but since today is the free weekly giveaway, you might want to take a look at this one and grab this for yourself. And while we're looking at things that you can grab for yourself, Above Cloud Pack is also here. So Above Cloud Pack, which is made by Marvin Funke, is actually something that you can use for your referencing. For those who are looking for high quality cloud that they can use for referencing, you'll definitely find this one very rewarding as well, as this is a pretty cool one. So you can take a look at his Gumroad if you would like to see more stuff. Okay, so right here within his Gumroad, you'll be able to see that he has this for free, and then he also has another landscape photo bashing set that you can also grab for free. So these are some very nice stuff. Let's also take a look at his ArtStation. All right, so you can also see that the same thing exists within the ArtStation. Although on Gumroad you get to keep this one for free, but on ArtStation you have to pay $1 to keep this one, and then you get this one for free. So cool stuff that you have here. For those who are looking for references, this is something that you can stand behind. Now with that said, one of the hardest things to create when making models are hands, and that is why we're looking at a free hand and nail mesh that you can play with. Now this free hand and nail mesh has all of its topology done properly for you, and then it comes with UVs. So for those who are looking for stylized hands and you don't want to go through the hassle of making these things yourself, and you just need something that has all of the UVs done, these are pretty nice. Love the way that they're being split around. You can actually go ahead and grab this one and start working with it. So they are all low poly, nicely UV wrapped, and also, you know, the topology or the topology that it has look pretty cool, and this will come in handy for tons and tons of people. So you're looking for this, go ahead, grab this and start playing with it. And while you're taking a look at this, let's also take a look at the folks at Sketchfab. So the folks at Sketchfab right now, they're doing a stock up sale which has to do with 30% coupon sales, which means that you can save up on 30% for any model that you're purchasing. Now for those who are looking for free models, you can simply go over to Explore, go to downloadables and download any free model that you want. Now the cool thing with Sketchfab is you can preview these and you can also inspect this element based off certain criteria. So you want to see the wireframe, you can take a look at that. For those who are looking for things like the vertex normal, or maybe you want to see this within the matcap, you can actually go ahead and take a look at these things and get good with them. So right now they are offering a 30% coupon sale, which has to do with the coupon code STOCKUP, and this ends on the 31st of January. So this is not the only thing that the folks at Sketchfab are giving out, as they also have a brand new challenge. So every single week, the folks at Sketchfab always releases a challenge, and this challenge has to do with the Blockbench. Now the challenge is titled Alien Moon Landing, and for those who don't know what Blockbench is a free tool that you can get, and you can download this to create 3D models. So it's more like a boxy 3D model editor, which gives you the opportunity to create some very interesting models like this, and by simply using blocks you can stack things around and create wonderful piece like so. So we've already covered how you can make things, so I'm going to link that video in the description so you guys can take a look at that. So you can create some pretty cool stuff like this, and you know, for those who are looking for some cool stuff, you can also see that these things that have been created have also been uploaded on Sketchfab, which gives you that access to preview, inspect these things and get good with them. So the challenge right now is for you to create an alien moon landing scene. So there are a couple of stuff to be won, and of course there are certain criteria that you need to follow in terms of rules and regulations for you to join the challenge. So I'm going to put a link in the description so that you guys will be able to take a look at that. And with that said, I'd like to know what you guys think about this in the comment section. And of course, for those who would like to get some very cool stuff like these, or maybe you're looking for some nice models that you can use, or probably you want to get OpenVDB which you can throw into your scene, these are lovely stuff that you can grab for free. And for those who would like to join Sketchfab or maybe join the Discord, I'm also going to put a link in the description so that you guys will be able to take a look at that and join that wonderful community. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing for you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next video or the next update. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.